Guys, welcome to my channel. And now I just want to show you guys how we did this analysis on my community yesterday, and then I'll also show you how you can do it probably next time you see such opportunity. Is that clear? So that don't just rely on your mobile indicators alone. How you can do this simple analysis on your own. So we did this analysis yesterday. I'm going to take you to my WhatsApp community now and show you the way we analyzed the chart yesterday and how I took the outcome. I'm going to take you to the chart and also show you, then probably teach you how to do that when you see this opportunity next time. But if you are interested in joining my mentorship class, then check out for my WhatsApp number in the description below. Exactly. Alright, here's the community. I posted it yesterday. Now this was our analysis on the crash 1000. So let me start from where I got it, where we started from. Okay, here it is. Someone said we should analyze crash 1000. This was yesterday. Guys. So this was where price was as at yesterday on the H4. And you can see where I marked out now that when price drops to that zone, you see telling them areas of imbalance, reasons why we should be expecting to but I told them we have two approaches to take entry. The first one is wait for price to drop back to the bullish order block on the H1. Then once price drop into the bullish order block on the H1, we can modify on 5 minutes to take entry. So these are what we just did yesterday. I'm telling them the second option is if price fail to return to the bullish order block on the H1, we wait for it to get to the H4 bearish order block. You can use two approach entry. So this was just what I was telling them that yesterday. But later on, I told them if crash 1000 was okay, this was an explanation on that. Okay, I'm just telling them they don't need to pay for signals, probably for those who are still new into the channel. Now, this was the analysis yesterday. Price dropped after breaking the daily high, because these blue lines you are seeing are the daily highs. Price dropped, then later on buy. But as at yesterday, we were expecting price to drop to that zone, just like what you see me still analyzing with them. This is where we're expecting price to come, and I told them the reasons why price is definitely going to bounce from that zone. So don't worry, I'm going to take you to the chart and show you everything. So all in all, price delivered what we expected that yesterday. Price delivered because this was the outcome. I took the sell opportunity and also took the buy opportunity, just like what you saw in the chart. So let me take you to the chart now and show you more details. Exactly. Like I said, you are going to learn how to do the analysis so that next time when you see such settings, you can also do it for yourself. But if you want a mentorship class, then check my description below. You see my WhatsApp number. Once you pay and everything, I'll add you to this class, give you the necessary materials. Then you also be part of the community. Exactly. We do this both on Forex market and then synthetic market. Exactly, guys. Alright, hello guys. This is what happened on the crash. 1000 index. Already I and my team, that means those guys who subscribe to my mentorship class, we've already analyzed the charts as at yesterday. So we were able to buy based on the analysis we made, and then I also took sell because I got the opportunity for sell. So in a nutshell, if you check that our outcome, I took this sell and I also took this buy. But the analysis I made with my team was this buy. So it was later on I got the opportunity to take the sell. I took the sell, then I also took this buy as well. So now what are we expecting on this crash exactly? What was our expectation? Sorry, what is our expectation? Because the price is still going to give us more move. So as it is now, let's quickly do some marking out. So this was yesterday high. This was yesterday high. That was our yesterday high, and this is our yesterday's low, right? So let's proceed to weekly. Let's see what is happening on the weekly. Let's mark our weekly high. This is our weekly high. That was the previous week. So as it is now, I'm going to change the color so that you can identify it. And there are more to this though. So if you join the mentorship class, you'll be able to get to understand. So let's go back to our H4. Now, what we are expecting is if price should break above this daily high today, if price should break above this daily high today, then probably retest on it. This is what I mean. If price should probably break above this high, that means price comes above, right? Now, there's tendency that price is going to drop because if you are conversant with liquidity class, when price breaks above the external liquidity, which are the swing points, definitely we are expecting an internal retracement. So if price breaks above this daily high, it's definitely coming into this um, order block. It might be an inducement or whatsoever, but to me, I see it as an order block which you can leverage on from your lower time frame. So at this, sorry. So when price breaks above that high, we're expecting price. Once price gets into this zone, we're expecting a form of what retracement. That means price breaks structure automatically. It breaks above this high. It has breaking structure. So price may be going to make a pullback into that zone. So we have two options. It's either you accept the fact that you buy when price breaks above into this zone, or you wait for price to come into this zone, then you take a sell. This is on 4-hour time frame. So when you leverage it or you modify it to lower time frame, it's going to make more sense as well. Then if price should continue coming up, then the target should be this our weekly high. So maybe probably price is coming to this zone to take out the liquidity here before a sell off, or probably keep buying all the way up. So it all depends on how the price move. But as it is now, we are waiting to see what is going to happen on this daily high. But we have that assurance that definitely if price should break above, then it means price is definitely going to make pullback, because there are still orders here which are left, which price is definitely going to deliver as it push up. So that is on them crash 1000. Is that clear, guys? So this is on crash 1000. Now let's check VIX 75. All right, VIX 75. I and my team also, as at yesterday, we are anticipating for price to drop probably up to this point, up to this level. Maybe it's gonna feel the internal liquidity, but it's obvious that there was a key level here. You can see this key level, which was the H1 demand zone. So that key level was so strong enough that price couldn't push all the way down. So as it is now, price has breaking above the daily high. So our target is this level. So as it is, you can take your buy, right? Let me clear the charts. So if we should mark the chart now, let's do some marking as we did like for the crash. Now this is our daily high. Price has broken above our daily high, right? And this is our previous day low. Exactly. So now let's go to the weekly. Okay, the weekly can be that thing. So let's just maintain this H1. So since price has broken above our daily high, definitely we have some kind of there's possibility price come into that zone. But in my own case, I don't I don't aim too much. I don't aim high up to this level. If I'm to take my buy now, so I'll be targeting this area. I'll be targeting price to fill up to this area. Is that clear? Though when you check the daily time frame, you notice that this zone is a bearish order block zone, which price might probably reverse from. Is that clear? Now, as I usually say, if you understand the analysis, that is the liquidity analysis, you should know that when price take out the external, price definitely going to create price definitely going to what fill the internal. Now, the reason why price couldn't fill or price couldn't sell below is one, you can see that it closed above this high, it closed above this high with a momentum, and secondly, price will not sell down because there's no internal liquidity at the moment. So it's going to push up to an area where an internal liquidity is going to be created, then probably price will start filling all that liquidity. And if we should proceed to our H1, I'm sorry, our D1, which is the daily time frame, that is where you will know that there's a may a high chances that price is definitely going to retrace when it gets to this zone. So there's a possibility, but all this you have to do it in your lower time frame. It might look very small here. If we should go to the lower time frame now, you will know that that little space you are seeing is not that small. You get it? It's a very big area. So when price fill that vacuum, it will definitely come all the way down again. So that is that. Please, if you want to join the mentorship class, my WhatsApp number is in the description below, and also you can chat me up. Don't worry, I'm going to be dropping some indicators strategy which you can definitely leverage on. For those of you who love scalping the market. But if you want something technical that you need to understand, don't worry. When you join, there are materials you will use to see all these things, all these analysis I'm doing. There are materials you are going to use to track them. There are videos that are going to guide you, and you're going to also join the WhatsApp community where I will also teach you how we'll also be doing the analysis together. Exactly. So there's no need for panic. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.